Check the thermostat wire run between the thermostat and furnace by isolating and testing the conductors directly. Begin by turning power off to the heating and cooling system at the breaker to prevent damage or false readings. At the thermostat end, remove the cover and disconnect the wires from the terminal block so they are isolated. At the furnace or air handler, disconnect the same wires at the control board or terminal strip so both ends are free and not connected to equipment. Use a multimeter set to continuity, or the lowest ohms range to test each conductor from one end to the other, touching one probe to the conductor at the thermostat end and the other probe to the corresponding conductor at the furnace end. A continuous low resistance reading indicates a good conductor, while an open or very high resistance reading shows a break. Also test for shorts by measuring resistance between each conductor and every other conductor, including ground or the cable shield. A near 0 ohms reading between conductors indicates a short or crossing. If you do not have a multimeter, use a battery and a small light or buzzer to create a simple continuity tester, connecting the tester across the wire pair to see if the circuit completes. If continuity fails, swap in a known good spare thermostat wire or temporarily run a single conductor jumper to confirm the system responds before replacing the permanent cable. Common mistakes include testing with the system powered, which can give false readings and risk damage, so always power down first and verify there is no voltage present. People often forget to disconnect at both ends and get misleading continuity through equipment circuits, so isolate wires at both the thermostat and furnace before measuring. Another frequent issue is overlooking physical damage in concealed runs like crushed insulation or rodent chew. If electrical tests are ambiguous, visually inspect accessible sections, fishing access plates and junctions, and consider running a temporary external jumper to confirm functionality before cutting into walls. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for wiring or thermostat work, and we provide a discussion community where people can ask questions and share experiences about hidden cable defects and testing techniques. We also help contractors find local jobs and connect with homeowners who need wiring diagnostics and repair.